listen.
Alright, I'm Tyler. Are you recording?
I am.
No. I'm Tyler, and this is I'm gonna do an epic success. My friend Darren Brewski taught me this trick. This is pretty cool. I want to show you guys all this. So,
Epic trampoline success. Oh, nice. Tyler, what are you gonna do?
this one it's also.
No, where are you going?
All right. Also,
Are you going to Disneyland?
No. Also in this, I want to show you this front flip to back flip. So I'm gonna go over there, do a back flip, without taking a break from my back flip bounce. I'm gonna go into a front flip.
As soon as you do a backflip?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, skills.
And last but not least, I'm just gonna do a cheerleader thing. Oh, actually, front handspring. Yeah, landed. Woo. And now I do this. I bounce her in my butt, makes me smile.